Serving freshly made smoothies, frozen cocktails, and frappes is possible in the front of the house thanks to the sound dampening enclosure on the Vitamix 36021 blending station. The 3-horsepower motor can withstand blend after blend so you can easily serve customers during your peak hours. The advanced container makes pouring drinks into cups a smoother process with less mess. It has lines marking the amount of liquid so you can easily serve the correct amount each time. Its polycarbonate construction makes the container durable for constant use. A variable speed control provides you with a simple way to control how each beverage is made. With 93 various speeds, you can achieve any texture you want. You can set the blender to automatically shut off after a specific amount of blending to save your blades and motor. For more information on the Vitamix 36021 blending station or other Vitamix blenders, speak to one of our customer care representatives at 1-800-541-8683 or head over to KaTom.com.